What's up guys, Matt around for low here. We are super excited about this GX460 build that we have here in the shop. We're going to be working with a ton of our partners and companies that we work with here at Roam 4 Low on this build, and we're really excited to show you guys stage one of this build and what we got coming in. Here is our first box that we got in from our friends over at Total Chaos. So we're going to be putting some great products from them on here. We're going to be starting out with their cam tabs. So a lot of you guys have probably seen this product before. When you're doing an alignment, the cam bolts will end up spinning and knocking out the stops on either side. So this helps prevent that, especially when you're doing a lot of hard wheeling. We've also got another great product from Total Chaos, and this is their Spindle Gussets. So this product is to help with the weak spindles that are on the Toyotas when you're doing a lot of hard off-roading, especially if you're hitting a real hard bump. They're real likely to bend. So this will help reinforce those spindles and ensure that you're not running into issues with your alignment. Another great product we have from our friends here at Total Chaos is going to be their upper control arms. They're tubular upper control arms. Obviously you can tell a beautiful piece here, and this will help not only fix the alignment, but being a non-adjustable upper allows you to be able to do some more hard wheeling and not have to worry about your upper control arm moving around and knocking out your alignment. So real great product from Total Chaos, and a product that we carry here at Roam 4 Low. All right, when it comes to building your overland rig, of course, a big part of that is going to be your suspension. So we're super excited to be partnering with Dobinsons on this build. So we're going to be running this coil over here on the front. This is their MMR. We're going to be running a moderate spring rate on this truck. He is going to be having a bumper and a winch, so this is going to help with the weight of that. And then in the rear, we're going to be running their heavy coil springs. This is going to help once we do the rear bumper and the full build out of the interior, as well as their MMR full adjustable rear shocks. So super great setup. The reason we went with this setup for this truck is he's going to be doing both on-road and off-road. Long distance gravel roads is more technical wheeling as well. So this gives him the adjustability to be able to be comfortable on any terrain, and also with the Dobinson product, you know you're getting something good that's going to last you a long time. So we're really excited to be working with our friends over at Dobinsons, and I think that this is going to give him the performance that he needs for this GX460. All right, of course, to be able to keep up with the capabilities of that awesome long travel suspension, we're going to be doing some gears and lockers on this truck. So we're working with our friends at East Coast Gear Supply, and they've got us a set of 488 gears. So we're going to be using a set of Yukon ring and pinion for this truck, a 488 gear set. And we're also going to be doing front and rear e-lockers. So a lot of guys go back and forth between the air and then the e-lockers. We prefer the electronic lockers, so we're going with Eaton lockers front and rear for this truck. And that will really give it the performance that it needs, as well as the gear ratio to be able to turn the bigger tires that we plan on putting on this truck. All right, so of course we've got awesome suspension. We have awesome gear set with the lockers, but of course if you can't put that performance down, there's no point. So we partnered with our friends over at Nitto to offer this Trail Grappler MT in a 35/11/50/17. So this is a tall, skinny tire. A lot of guys are moving to these more narrow tires, and it's a great fit for this truck, especially with our Method wheels that we're going to be putting on this. So you've maybe seen our Land Cruiser at the shop running the Method 701s with the bead grip technology. It has been a favorite here at the shop, and of course we're going to be doing the same on this truck, but we're doing something a little different on this one, and this is really exciting. This one is going to be in their blue finish. So we have not gotten to install these on any trucks yet, so we're really excited. We think that this wheel is going to look really good on the silver of this truck. Now, of course, with the bead grip technology, allows you to be able to air these things down really low without the added weight and the added work of the bead lock. So great wheel and tire combo here. Got 5 of these, so he will have a matching spare as well, which we believe is needed if you plan on doing hard off-roading. But a great wheel tire package, and this really helps put the whole truck together and be able to use that long travel suspension and those lockers and get the most performance out of it. So really excited about these. So of course, a big part of building an expedition vehicle to go out and explore stuff, being able to see where you're going. A A lot of times you'll find yourself searching for camp at night, so we're trying to get some lights on this truck so that he'll be able to see where he's going during some night rides. So we're going to be doing this 30-stage series bar that's going to be coming from Diode Dynamics. This is a great setup and it's going to give him tons of lighting. We're also going to be doing these 3-inch LED pods in the amber color. We think that this is going to be a perfect match for this truck, and of course when he gets the bumper here, this will fit real nicely into his bumper setup and really tie everything in together. And of course, because we are going to be powering a lot of electronics on this truck, not only his lighting, eventually a fridge, his front and rear lockers, our friends over at Power Trays gave us this real trick tray so that we can mount our aux beam setup inside of the engine bay. And then we're going to be getting that aux beam here soon, and we're going to be doing a real trick setup on the interior of that. So it's going to be a real OEM style mount. So we're really excited to show you that in the coming week. And yeah, the only product we're missing here is our front bumper, which will be here shortly, and we're really excited to show you that as well.